Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to download Capcut without Bluestacks. So let's get started. The first method to download Capcut is go to your Google Chrome and type capcut.com and it will take you to its official website. From here, click on Download for Windows. And just run the setup and install it. Done. And the second method is go to your Microsoft Store and search here Capcut. Then simply install it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.